Assalamu alaikum, my name is Hassan Ali and I am a member of the Energies Forum, and today we will be taking a look at what is mechanical engineering, and we will take a brief look at it, its scope and some frequently asked questions. So let's move on to some introduction. Mechanical engineering is one of the broadest engineering disciplines. Mechanical engineers design, develop, build and test. They deal with anything that moves from component to machine to human body. This includes solving today's problem and creating future solutions in healthcare, energy, transportation, world hunger, space exploration, climate change, and more. And so, mechanical engineering is also known as mother fields, and there are three mother fields, and it's one of them because several of the disciplines that you will see on the prospectus of NED, such as automotive engineering, industrial and manufacturing engineering, are the drive branches for mechanical engineering. So let's take a look at its scope. So the scope of mechanical engineers have an enormous range of opportunities, and their education mirrors this breadth of subjects. Because they study a lot of subjects that are core part of other disciplines, students concentrate on one area while strengthening analytical and problem solving skills applicable to any engineering solution. Society depends on mechanical engineering. The need for this expertise is so great in so many fields, and as such, there is no real limit for this freshly minted mechanical engineer. So, after graduating, mechanical engineers can also work in Atlas Honda, they can also go work at Angro, they can also go and work at the shipment companies that manufacture ships. They have such a variety of field that they can virtually go and work in any of the company that comes to NED for its for job. So the scope of this field is enormous, not in Pakistan but abroad too, and they can also go and study abroad and masters, and virtually every option is available for them after doing bachelor's in mechanical engineering. So the scope of this field is enormous, and they have a lot of chances to study as well as to get a job, a reasonable and a decent job after their bachelor's. So let's move on to some frequently asked question about this field. So what are the major courses of this field? So major courses are SolidWorks, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, power plant, internal combustion engine, statics and dynamics. So to get a good grip on to get a good grip in mathematics and physics. So which sector allows job for this field? Virtually any sector that comes for job placement in any can allow jobs for this field for mechanical engineering, and because it is a really diverse field. So the third question is, how is the faculty in this department? So faculty is extremely helpful, and some of them are really capable and can help you a lot in your studies as well as your professional life. So it is a good chance to learn and understand. So the fourth question is, do they conduct industrial visit? Yes. There are departmental societies which also conduct several industrial visits, such as there are visits in General Tires, Amreli Steels, AGP Pharma, etc. And there are some seminars as well. So the final question is, what are the subjects that can be pursued for higher studies after doing BE in mechanical engineering? So you can go and do masters in almost every field which is a subfield of mechanical engineering, such as you can go and do masters in automobile engineering, you can go and do masters in renewable energy resources, you can also go and do MBA, which is masters in business administration if you want to go towards the business side of thing, and you can also switch to materials engineering and many more. So it is really a diverse field. So that was a brief introduction and about mechanical engineering. So I hope you will find this helpful. Thank you.